Kedz. You know it's Nay from Chelley&Nay, and you know when we're on, it's poppin', y'all. If you're new to the channel, welcome. We love you already. So guys, yes, I am whispering. Yes, it is just me by myself, and I'm sure that alone tells you guys what time it is. Chelley is actually asleep in the other room. I'm in our bedroom right now, and Chelley is asleep on the couch in our living room. And I thought, what a better time than now to prank her, because I feel like I haven't in a while. My pranking skills could definitely use some work, and whatever, it's a new year, it's 2021, and it's time to get these pranks rolling. I also have to be very quiet so as to not wake her, because no one needs a prank ruined. Anyways guys, so Chelley has been pretty much at it all morning. She's been working from home since the start of this week, and she had to get up early today for a bunch of meetings, for a whole bunch of work from home, really fun things. And she's basically been going at it since like 8 a.m. and it's like 3 now, so she's sleeping. I'm like, okay, time for Nay to go in and attack, but I really have to mind my voice. I had this brilliant idea that I'm honestly kind of scared to do it, but I am going to air horn her life away. Guys, this is just such a random prank, but for those of you who have been with us for a very long time, you know that I tried to get Chelley with the same prank like almost a year ago. I basically took my phone and found the sound of an air horn and played it to try to scare her while she was sleeping. But since we have an actual air horn, we picked this up from the dollar store and we used it a couple of times on New Year's Eve. I thought, since there's some juice left in there, why don't I just live life and try and scare her? But this thing is really, really loud, which is why, number one, I'm afraid to do this prank. Number two, I obviously can't do it right by her ear. I will literally give her eardrum damage, so I have to be careful with that. I don't know, I just want to like freak her out, wake her up, and scare her. So I'm gonna be doing this, and hopefully it goes well. Hopefully I get a better reaction out of her. I just want to scare her. So this was just totally a freak thing. I'm thinking like, you know, haven't pranked her in forever, what can I do? And then I saw this on our coffee table and I'm like, perfect, 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 perfect. Anyways, you guys, before we get into this prank, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell if you're nasty, as Chelley would say if she was awake, but she ain't. So this is my time to shine. Tell you besties, guys, we are on the road to 3K and we're getting closer and closer every day, you guys. So let's go, let's continue to get it.
Boom!
Hi, babe. Babe! Did you hear that sound? Babe? Did you hear that sound?
I'm scared.
It was me.
From a heartbeat.
Aww. Here's the heartbeat again. Aww. Babe, I interrupted your nap. Are you mad at me? No? You're out of it?
That was you.
Yeah, look. Remember? From me. Hey, I'm not gonna do it in your ear. Oh my god. Remember?
I thought it was in my dream.
No, babe. Remember that prank I did on you like 8 or 9 months ago or something? Remember about the fake air horn? But I thought, hey, we have a real one. Blah. I feel like I didn't even get you.
I just thought something happened in my dream. It jumped out of my skin.
Aww. Okay, so you were a little bit scared?
Yeah, but I thought it was in my dream.
Aw, babe. I always just feel so bad pranking you. It never just works out the way I want it to.
I'm so scared.
You're so scared? How loud was it? Because I was covering my ears. Sorry, baby. I was going like this.
I don't know, because I thought it was in my dream.
What did it sound like?
I don't know, it felt like it was in my dream. Like
Aww.
it sounded, like in my dream it sounded like something exploded. So I woke up.
Oh, whatever. I still kind of got you, I think. How do you feel? How do you feel?
What are you doing?
I'm pranking you while I was trying to, you little cutie pie.
No, thank you.
No, thank you. I'm sorry I had to. I mean, you basically dug this hole for yourself by falling asleep.
I just feel so tired today.
I know, baby. You've been working so hard, so many hours. Aww.
Wait, so what did you do? You did a prank about making that noise on me?
Yeah, hello. Because I was telling the kids that you fell asleep after like working all day and everything, and that it was a good opportunity to try and redo one of my old tricks. What do you think?
That's mean.
That's mean. Oh, babe, I'm sorry. Why are you hiding like a little crazy munchkin?
Because I look like a rotten pickle.
Oh my god. Okay, guys, Shelly's gonna be crazy. She's sleepy and she's not really here for my pranks, but
Wait, is this why you bought this? Because you wanted this for New Year's and then you really wanted it for the prank?
no, I didn't. I honestly just thought of it right now, babe, because I was thinking, okay, I have to get Shelly, but I'm like, hey, no, please don't. Oh my god, my ears will actually explode.
Me too, I don't like it.
I know, I feel really bad. I was really stressed about this because I didn't want to do it, but I still felt like it needed to be done. You feel me?
Yeah.
I don't know, guys. Comment down below if you feel like I got her still, or
My heart was beating really, really hard when I woke up, but I don't know, like, I don't know.
Aww. I just feel bad that I woke you, to be honest, because you're so sleepy.
That's okay.
Yeah, it is, because that's one more for Nay, baby, okay? I don't know, guys. I was just trying something. Give me some, what do we say?
Explosions.
Sure, give me some explosions. I also look like a mongoose, but give me some explosions down in the comments below if you feel like I killed that prank, because I think I did an okay job. Hey, if it scared Shelly, then my work here is done. Any last words for the victim?
Good night.
No. Okay, guys, we're gonna wrap up this video. If you made it to the end, guys, thank you so much. We really, really love you so very much. Please don't forget to
Oh, sorry. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell if you're nasty, and don't forget to
tell your besties, of course, you guys. Tell everyone you know about Chelley&Nay because we are on the road
to 1 million K.
Yes, 1 million K? Why not 1 million thousand? Yes, let's go 1 million thousand. And we'll see you guys in our next video.
Later. Oh.
3, 2, 1. Later, Kedz. Mwah.